Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lesson we are going to learn how to access elements in a tuple. Tuples are ordered and each item in a tuple has an index starting from 0. So to get a value out of a tuple, we just use its index number. Let's open our PyCharm IDE, right click on the tuple folder and create a new Python file. Let's name it tuple_access. We are now ready to explore how tuple indexing works. Let's define a tuple of fruits. Create a variable named fruits equals open round brackets. Inside that, define the items within double quotes apple, within double quotes banana, within double quotes cherry, within double quotes date. Then close the round brackets. We have now created a tuple with 4 items. Now let's say we want to get the second item from this tuple, which is banana. Create a variable called second_item equals fruits within square brackets number 1. Remember, tuples use 0 based indexing. That means position 0 is apple, position 1 is banana, position 2 is cherry, and position 3 is date. So when we access index 1, we get banana. Now let's print the result. We type print function open brackets within double quotes, type second item is colon space, add a comma, then write second_item, close the brackets. Let's run the program and see the output. The result is second item is banana. Perfect. Python retrieved the value stored at index 1. Now let's get the first and last items from the same tuple. We type first_item equals fruits within square brackets 0. Last_item equals fruits within square brackets -1. The index 0 gives us the first item, which is apple. And the index -1 gives us the last item, which is date. Python also supports negative indexing. So negative numbers count from the end, right to left. This is helpful when you want to access the last few elements without knowing the exact length. Let's print both values. We type print function within brackets, double quotes. First item is colon space, comma, first_item. Print function within brackets, double quotes. Last item is colon space, comma, last_item. Run the program now. The output is first item is apple, last item is date. Let's also fetch the third item, which is cherry. We type third_item equals fruits within square brackets number 2. Print function within brackets double quotes. Third item is colon space, comma, third_item. Run the script. Output third item is cherry. Again, index 2 gives us the third element. This is how we use indexing in tuples. Each item sits at a specific position and we can retrieve it using within square brackets followed by the index. You can use these index values to retrieve any element from your tuple. This is one of the most basic but powerful operations in Python. In the next lecture, we'll explore how to loop through all items in a tuple. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.